Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI P10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, open Messages app and select or create a chat. Now select this plus icon at the bottom left corner and click on your video right away. You can also select this gallery icon. Look for your video over here, and when you find it, click on it. Now tap on this check mark at the top right corner to attach it. You can also select those three dots at the bottom right corner. Click on Audio and add an audio file by tapping on the one that you wish to attach and selecting checkmark at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!